everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support. And if you are new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my upload. Guys, the condolences messages are pouring in after NFP political party and Igagasi FM confirmed the sad news of NFP President Zanele Kamagwaza Msibi's passing at the age of 59. Kamagwaza Msibi is a former South African parliamentarian who was a deputy minister of science and technology of South Africa in the cabinet of the former president Jacob Zuma. She was also a member or a former member of Inkatha Freedom Party. Guys, she's been not well since November 2014 after she suffered a stroke. Mama Uzanele Kamagwaza Msibi is a mother to Uzalo actress Gugu known as MaMlambo. May the Lord comfort her and the rest of her family. Akwehlanga olungehliyo. May her mother's soul rest in peace. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.